Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily get Shopify themes for free. So first is head over to themes.shopify.com. From here, we can easily browse themes. So to get free Shopify themes, we have a filter here. All you have to do is check the free box, and from here, you can see a variety of themes that are free that you can use for your Shopify store. Another way is by heading to github.com, and in the search bar, just search for free Shopify themes. Then press enter. And from here, you can see users and developers that shares free Shopify themes that you can download. All you have to do is click on the user, and from here, you will have access to the Shopify themes. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.